Hello students, now come to the next exercise 6.4 of this chapter, square and square root. In the first question we have to find the square root of each of the following number by division method. Now in this exercise we will try to solve, or we will try to find the square root by division method. Let's see how we will do this one. Solution 1, here 2, 3, 4. So we need to find the square root by division method. So we will write here by division method. So how we will do? Let's see here, 2, 3, 0, 4. So this is the way we will divide. So before dividing, I want to say that what we will do, we will start pairing the numbers from right hand side to left hand side direction. Okay, the number which are on the left hand side of the decimal, there we will start pairing from right hand side to left hand side in this way. Okay, now we will use such a number, means we are trying to find the square root. So for example, if I use 3, the 3 is 9, it is very small. 4 is 16, 5 is 25. So 25 is greater, so we will use 4 4. So we will write 4 16. What will be the remainder here? Let's see. Carry 1, 13, 6, 4, 6, 7. This pair will come here, 0, 4. Now we will multiply this unit place, it is 4 here, by 2. How much we will get? 8. So 8 we will write, we will leave one space here, so that we will use such a number here, that with the same number we will multiply here also. Means if I use 1 here, so I will write 1 here. So I have to write, I want to say that if I use 1 here, so I will write 1 here. In this way, 81. If I write 82, then I will use 2 here. But how you will find out? See, because we are finding the square root, you see here 4 is here in the ones place. So by which number, if you multiply 2 times, you are getting 4. So 2 2 is 4, or 8 8 is 64. We know that in this table, see, 1 is square, 2 is square, 3 is square. In this we will get 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 is square, 16, then 5 is square, 25, 6 is square, 36, 7 is square, 49, 8 is square, 64, 9 is square, 81, and 10 is square, 100. Okay, now see, if we are getting 4 here, means we are either squaring 2 or we are squaring 8. So let's try 8 8 8 like this. 8 8 is 64, 4 carry 6, again it is 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 704. See, we are having 704, so we will use 8 here and we will write 8 here. So we will get 704, 0, so 48. Therefore the square root of 2304 will be equal to 48. This is by all division method. Now come to the next question. Let's see, third one. In third we have 3 4 8 1, again by division method. Okay, see here, 3 4 8 1, again we will pair from right hand side towards the left hand direction. This is our division part. Okay, now 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, 6 6 is 36. So we will use 5 5 is 25. Okay, now subtraction, 14 4 5 6 and 9, then this pair will come down here, 8 1. Now again we will multiply the unit place here. The unit place is 5 by 2. How much? 10. We will leave one space here. Now the unit place of this number is 1. 1 is here. So by squaring 1 and squaring 9, we are getting 1 in the unit place. So if I use 1 here, so it will be 101 by 1, I mean into 1 gives you 101, but it is 981. So we will use 9. So 109, then we will multiply it by 9. 9 9 is 81 and 9 1 is 9. So we are getting 981. So we will write 9 here, we will write 9 here. So 981, ultimately 0. So therefore under root of 3481 is equal to 59. Now come to the last example of this exercise, I mean question number 1, 7921. For this I have to rub this space. 8 number 7921. There are more questions in question number 1, but I have only 3 questions here, so that you can understand by this and you can do it by yourself. The rest of the question you can do it by yourself. So let's start with to solve this one by division method. Okay, here 7921. Again pairing from right hand side to the left hand side direction. Okay, now 79 is here, so 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. So 8 8 is 64, we will write 8 here, 8 here, 64. So cancel it. Now 4 9 minus 4 gives you 5, then 1, then 2 1. Now we will multiply this space by 2, it is 16. 16 will be there, then we will leave one space here. Now we have 1 here. Now we can see that 1 we are getting by squaring 1, or squaring 9 we are getting 1 here. So we will use 9, 169. So 169 by 9. Okay, 9 9 is 81, 1 carry 8, 9 9 6 is 54, 55 56, 57 48, 59 60, 61 62, 2 carry 6, 9 1 is 9, and 6 15, 1521. So 9 9. So we are getting 1521 0. So ultimately, therefore, the square root of 7921 by division method we are getting 89. So this is very simple, you no need to worry about that one. See what I want to say, that first you will get the number, whatever number of digits it may have, you start pairing from right hand direction to left hand direction. Okay, now on the first pair, or it may be a single number or pair or whatever, use that number by which you will multiply itself, the number itself, so that it will be either equal or less than that one. Here it is 79, so I use 8, 8 8 is 64. If I use 9, 9 9 is 81, it will be more than 79. So I opted 8. Now after multiplying 8, 8 is 64, we are getting 15 here, remainder 15. Now as we have paired 1, so this pair number will come down, so 1521. Now what we will do, we will multiply this ones digit, ones place. What this is right now, it is 8. It will multiply this thing by 2, so it will become 16. Now we will leave one space here, so that we can use a digit here. With the same digit we will write here, and we will multiply it. So by looking at this number, we can see 1 is here in the ones place. So this is the squared number, so we will try to see by which number we are squaring, we are getting 1. If we square 1 or 9, we are getting 1 as a unit place. So here if we use 1 here, so it will be 161 into 1, so answer will be 161, but it is 1521, so we will use 9. So 169 into 9, we get 1521, so ultimately 0. So here 8 9, so 8 9 is our square root of 7921. So I hope you have understood all these 3 questions very nicely. Thank you. Hello students, now come to the next question of the exercise. Question number 2 says that find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following number without any calculation. So see, it means that whatever examples are given here, all are perfectly square numbered. Okay, now if we find the square root of this one, we will get a number. Okay, the question asking that what will be the number of digit of that number. For example, I want to say that 6 square gives you 36. 36 is a perfectly square number having 2 digits. If we make a square root of this one, we will get 6. That is what? Single digits. That thing they are asking to find out how many digits will have of the square root of all this one. So let me explain you. If the number of, see, if the number of digits of a square number, a perfectly squared number or squared number, okay, is even, okay, is even, then what will happen? Then the number of digits of the number, square root of the number will be n by 2. Remember that. Let me write. Number of digits of a squared number is even, then the digits in the square root digits in the number of square root equal to n by 2. Okay, but if the number is odd, if number of the digit of a squared number is odd, then the digits in the number of square root equal to n plus 1 by 2. It's very simple. Now for 1, try to understand, let me write here, okay. For 1, 64, here n equal to 2, 1, 2, that is even number. Therefore, the number of digits in square root, therefore number of digits in square root will be equal to n by 2, that is 2 by 2 equal to 1. So we will get, if we find the square root of 64, we will get a number which will having single digit. Okay, now come to the second one, 144. Let me write here itself. Second, 144, here n equal to 3, here n equal to 3, which is odd number. Therefore root will be how much? N plus 1 by 2, means 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. So if we find the square root of 144, the result will have 2 digits. Okay, now come to the third one. It is 4489, third one, 4489. Here n equal to how much? 4. So here the number of digit, here, therefore the number of digits in the square root will be, it will be n by 2, because it is even n by 2. So 4 by 2 equal to 2. Ultimately, here also, if you make a square root of 4489, the result will have only 2 digits. Okay, now come to the fourth one. In fourth one, we have 27225, 1 2 3 4 5. Here number of digits n equal to 5, it means it's odd. So n plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2 equal to 3, means if we make a square root of this one, we will get a result which will have 3 digits in it. Okay, and lastly the fifth one. In the fifth one, what will happen? I am just not rubbing all the answers, simply the formula what I am rubbing here. The fifth one is 390625. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6, n is 6, that is even number. It means n by 2 means 6 by 2 means 3. So if we make a square root of this 3,90,625, we will get a result which will have 3 digits in it. Okay, now this is all about by doing formula, but by looking at the number also we can find out. It's very simple. Whenever you start pairing the numbers, no, so as because these numbers are on the left hand side of the decimal, so we will start pairing from right hand side to the left hand side. So when we start pairing now, you can see the bars. By counting the bars also, we can simply say that how many digits we will get if we make a square root of this one. After making a square root of this one, we will get 3 digits in the result. Here also, if we start pairing, we will see 3 bars are here. We directly say that 3 digits we can find out in the square root of this one. Here also, if you see only 2 bars are here, so we can clearly say that 2 digits we will get after making a square root of this one. Here also, if you see 2 bars are here, 44 and 1. So here also, after making a square root of this one, we will get 2 digits, and 64, it has only 1 bar, so we will get single digits. So I hope you have understood this question number 2 very nicely. Thank you. Hello students, now come to the third question of this exercise. Third question says that find the square root of the following decimals. Here we need to find the square root of decimals. Now as I told you earlier, just listen here. Suppose if you take a 6 digit, 7 digit like that, suppose 2, 3, 9, 0, 8, 4 like this. So all these numbers are on the left hand side of the decimal. So we will start from right hand side, start pairing like this. Suppose here 9, so 1 like this, okay, in this way. But if I use suppose 2, 3, 8 like this, suppose decimal, if I use decimal here, so this part is on the left hand side of the decimal, so we will start pairing from right hand side like this, and this decimal, or you can say this part is on the right hand side of decimal, so we will start pairing from left hand direction towards the right direction, okay, in this way. From here we will go in this direction, from decimal we will go in this direction. Very simple concept you have to remember. Whenever we are start pairing to find the square root, you just check out whether where the decimal is. If you see the decimal is here, means on the suppose in the middle, so the numbers which are on the left hand side, you start pairing from there towards the left hand direction, and the number which are on the right hand side of the decimal, you start pairing towards the right hand direction in this way, okay. Now in this case solution, we can see that we have number 2.56. so by division method, let me write 2.56. it will be towards right hand side to the left hand side direction, and this will be towards right hand side to the left hand side to the right hand direction, like this. So it's very small digits are there, so there will be no such confusion. Now if I use 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, so I will use 1 1 ja 1. So how much we will get in remainder? I will get 1. Now this pair will come out 5 6. This decimal will move here, okay, 1. Now I will multiply this unit place by 2. So 2 1 ja 2. I will leave one space here. Now we will see 6. And 6 comes, already I have, why I rub this one, 1 square 1, 2 is square 4, 3 is square 9, 4 is square 16, 5 is square 25, 6 is square 36, 7 is square 49, 8 is square 64, 9 is square 81, and 10 is square 100. Now look at here. Here we have 6. So is the perfectly square number. So by which number we are multiplying 2 times, we will get 6. So if we square 4, we will get 6, or if we square 6, we will get 6. So there are two numbers are here in my hand. Let's try by both. 2 first 4, then I will multiply it by 4. 4 4 is 16, 6 carry 1, 4 2 is 8, 9. Here I am getting 96. But if I use 6, then I have to multiply it by 6. So 6 is 36, 6 carry 3, 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15. So 156. Here I am getting 156. So I will use 6 here, and 6, that is 1560. Therefore square root of 2.56 gives you how much? 1.6. It's very simple. Now come to the next third example. In third, 51.84. So I will write by division method. I will try to find the square root of this one. 51.84. This is on the left hand side, so from here, this is right hand side from here. Okay, anyway. Now 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64. So 7 7 is 49 will be much better. 7 7 is 49. Now remainder will be 2. Then this pair will come out 84. This decimal will move here. We will multiply the unit place by 2, means 7 to the 14. We will leave one space. Now here we have 4. By which number, if you square it, we will get 4 as the unit place? Either 2 or 8. Squaring of 2 gives you 4 in the ones place. Squaring of 8 also gives you 4 in the ones place. So let's try by both. 14, 142 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 1 2, 284. So we are getting 284. So we will use 2 here. In the first chance we got the answer 284 by 0. So therefore square root of 51.84 gives you 7.2. So square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So I hope you have understood both the maths very nicely. There are some few more questions are there in this question. That part I think you can do it by yourself, and very simple. You have to remember that very much careful while start pairing. If the number is on the left hand side direction, so you will start pairing from right to left, and if the digits are on the right hand side of the decimal, so you will start pairing from left to right. So I hope you have understood this one very nicely. Thank you.